You how to use a Viessmann UTA room stat. The time is set by just moving the hands around. It's a 24-hour clock. The way you can tell whether or not it's on day or night is by opening the front cover, just by pulling it back and checking that the numbers, so we're midday now, so the 12 lines up with the little indices at the top here. This doesn't really do anything, it just shows you where the room stat's set to, but it does confuse issues a little bit, so don't take much notice of this other than for setting the time. On the outside you've got two dials. You've got the one at the top is the daytime or the on temperature setting. The one at the bottom changes what you have the thing set at, so you could either have it on hot water, timed permanently on using the top thermostat, nighttime or drop temperature, or just frost thermostat. The permanently on temperature is the turning on for the boiler during the day or on the on periods, and it will be set by this TOPS thermostat, recommended around the 20-degree mark. The drop temperature is what the boiler turns off to at night, so if you put it onto that, it just puts it onto the drop temperature or your off temperature. This is controlled by the internal thermostat, which is set lower than your daytime one. So this one's set at about 12 degrees. You can just turn it down, but you can have it wherever you want. So when it goes off, it just turns down to the lower temperature. So if it drops below 12 degrees in the night, the heating will still come back on again. If you set it on timer, the room stat changes between the daytime one and the nighttime one. This is done by sliding the little indices in and out round the clock. If they're slid out, they're turned off, and if they're pushed in, they're turned on. So you can turn it on and off as many times as you like during the day, and so to have it go pushed in turns on the daytime stat, slid out turns it to the nighttime stat, or turning the heating off. Hopefully that makes enough sense for you.